Our view of healthcare in Wales. Highlights from our annual report. Each year, we publish an annual report setting out the key findings from the regulation, inspection, and review of healthcare services in Wales. We carried out 163 inspections, responded to over 2,200 statutory notifications, and received more than 740 concerns, including 120 whistleblowing disclosures. We registered 60 new independent services, completed 280 registration actions, and published 140 inspection reports. We listened to over 5,000 voices through surveys, and our website reached over 500,000 views. In 2024 to 25, we carried out 163 inspections across NHS and independent healthcare services, informed by the voices of 3,407 patients, carers and members of the public, and 1,657 staff. Concerns and whistleblowing are rising. We received 743 concerns, a 21% increase on last year and a 102% rise since 2019 to 20. Whistleblowing disclosures rose by 36%, often pointing to deeper issues in leadership and culture. Independent healthcare is growing, but not always safely. We issued more urgent enforcement actions than ever before. Many new providers lack understanding of legal responsibilities and safety standards. Mental health services need urgent investment. Estate conditions, staffing shortages, and systemic challenges continue to compromise care. The physical environment is central to recovery and dignity. Regulation that makes a difference. We have suspended unsafe services, escalated serious concerns to Welsh Government, launched criminal investigations, and supported improvement through targeted monitoring. Real improvement starts with listening. The voices of patients, families, and staff are shaping our priorities and driving change. This report is not just a record of our work, it's a challenge to the system to do better. We have seen environments that are unsafe and systems that are stretched to their limits. Everyone in Wales deserves safe, dignified, and effective healthcare, and we will continue to challenge, support, and drive improvement wherever it's needed most. Want to find out more? Visit our website